Hi, and welcome to our next point blank tutorial on SoundCloud. We're now going to look at how you can share your audio. So first of all, let's go to our track we uploaded last time. With a track on SoundCloud, as we said last time, it can be private or public. In this instance at first, we have a private track. To share a private track, just go to the left hand side of the player, click share, and then you have three options. Your first option is to add or remove users, so click on add or remove people. From here, I can invite someone to have access to the track via their email address, via lists I may have created, such here as a blog list, or via people I follow or are following myself. So I can send a track to 50 Cent, and so for example this could be a new mix. So below, as I send the private track, I can leave a personal note. So as well as selecting who has access to a track, there are two other options for sharing a private track. First of all, the secret link. So with a secret link, though a track is hidden on SoundCloud, I can give someone access direct via the URL of the track. So as you can see here, this track has its own code at the end, which is unique to that secret link. And of course, if I have a secret link and there's a problem with it and I need to cut that link off, I can just go ahead and just reset that link. The third option for private sharing is, though a track can be hidden on SoundCloud, I can still embed a player onto a third party site. So for instance, if I have a brand new release and I want to put all the information on the release in one place, such as my other press assets, I can create this page, embed the private widget of the track, add my other press assets, and for example I could then password protect that page and then share that with the contacts I need to share that private audio to. So there we have our three ways of sharing a private track. Maybe accessing an individual user, maybe sending across a secret link, or third of all, maybe be embedding a widget onto a third-party site. So then how do we share a public track? So first of all, let's turn this track public. When a track is public, I can share automatically to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Tumblr, my email, and then from there I can also grab an embed code, which I can copy and paste straight into my HTML. Instead of just grabbing the normal embed code, I can still customize the player. So first of all, with our waveform player, you can change the color, show or hide track comments, and choose to play automatically. As well as our classic waveform player, which is a great way to showcase timed comments, we also have a mini player and an artwork player. So if you have a new release and you want to make sure the artwork makes its way to the front, you can choose our artwork player as a great way to showcase this. So let's see some examples in the real world. First of all, an example of a waveform player. So here on the right hand side of this website, you can see an embedded waveform player. As we've spoken with the previous tutorial, you can include bylinks, which are very prominent in each of the tracks here. As well as the waveform player, how about a minimalist player? Here in Architecture in Helsinki's website, you can see they've embedded a minimalist player at the top. And how about our artwork player? So you have a new release and you make sure your artwork's really prominent. Use one of our artwork players and embed it straight into your site. So from here you can have your track info, add your prominent bylinks as before, click further info on your release, allow others to share, and buy the whole set. So there's 3 great ways to share your player. Maybe using our mini player, a standard waveform player, or artwork player. And of course, depending on what you need, you can share a public track, or if you need more privacy, use our private options and share a private track. Thank you.